notified about all the content which I post, please subscribe immediately and keep watching.
Hello everyone, how are y'all? So it's a beautiful rainy morning and I decided to step out because it's really gloomy when you sit inside the house while it's raining, isn't it? So I decided to go out for lunch. So today is a day where I feel like going for Japanese food. So come along with me and I'll take you to a Japanese restaurant called Kofuku in Powai, which is at Kailas Industrial Estate in Vikhroli West. So it's Mumbai's finest award-winning Japanese restaurant serving authentic traditional Japanese dishes as well as maki, which is a sushi in a beautiful East Asian style dining ambience. So here we have reached our destination and look around, it's really green and beautiful, and Mumbai looks really green when it's raining. It's really beautiful when it's raining except for the flooding and the traffic jams. Everything else is really beautiful. So we should be stepping out once in a while at least to have lunch and enjoy our day. And catch up on some gossiping. So here we are at Kofuku. This is the main entrance of the restaurant and this is on the second floor of the building. So here we can see the beautiful ambience from the outside itself, and it's really typical Japanese style decor which they have made in the interiors. Take a look guys, beautiful Japanese paintings have been kept over here and we can get a glimpse of how a Japanese village looks. So this painting has a lot of depth in it and we really feel like we are in a Japanese village, isn't it? The architecture of this painting explains to us a lot about how a Japanese village and a typical Japanese house looks. So I really admired this, and before stepping in I decided to take a look around. So here we are in the traditional Japanese sitting arrangement. I chose this, but there were other normal sitting arrangements too, but I am always adventurous, so I decided to go for the traditional way of having my Japanese lunch. So here I am browsing through the menu. Welcome to Kofuku. So it was a difficult time choosing what to select, but there was a really amazing guy who helped me out. His name was Ranbir. He was a very big help for me in selecting the dishes, and the service over here is really good because these people really help us to select the right dishes. Because Japanese food and the menu is a little dicey, isn't it? We find it really difficult to choose the right dishes for ourselves according to our taste. But Ranbir came to my rescue and he helped me to select the right dishes. So Tottori is the name of a place in Japan. So this is a drink which he suggested, which is called Tottori, a brilliant mix of sweet potato, rice vinegar and apricot puree, and it was shaken together and served with a splash of soda, and it was wonderful, very tasty and very refreshing and really amazing. And here comes my sake maki salmon rolls. And this is served along with wasabi, and look at this, it's really amazing. Wasabi and sake maki, which is salmon rolls, is really amazing. So maki is a sushi that is cylindrical in shape and includes grilled seaweed, that is nori, and rolled around vinegared rice and other fillings. So it's really tasty. and we have to dip it in shoyu, which is a soya sauce, which is a Japanese soya sauce. Here I am introducing you to Ranbir. Speak to Ranbir for a while.
Can I remove it?
Hi Ranbir,
Hello ma'am.
thank you so much.
My pleasure ma'am, always ma'am.
Very nice and very warm host, and he has done a really good job. Thank you so much. He was really helpful and very cheerful guy, and I really thank him for helping me out to select my dishes. So this is tempura donburi, which is tiger prawns and Japanese rice, which is really amazing to eat. Tempura is a typical Japanese dish usually consisting of seafood, meat and vegetables dipped in a batter and deep fried. This is mainly eaten in the Nagasaki province. The best tempura donburi is light, crispy and never oily. So this is fried tofu which I am having. So this is the donburi sauce along with a bite of tofu in it, and tofu tastes really good. I really love it. Tofu is nothing but it's a kind of paneer which is made of soya milk. So it tastes really amazing. It tastes just like paneer but a little bit different. So go ahead and have it. It's really amazing. So this is tempura tiger prawns which I am having right now, and it tasted really amazing, very juicy and really fried very well, but it's not oily at all. So the drink went very well with these dishes, and now the next dish which I ordered was omu rice, which is an example of yoshoku consisting of an omelette made with fried rice and thin fried scrambled eggs, usually topped with ketchup. So this is normally eaten along with ketchup, and it tastes really well when ketchup is added to it, and it's a popular dish both commonly cooked at home and often found at Western style dinners in Japan. So this is furikake, which is a Japanese seasoning which goes very well on the rice and any dish, you can just sprinkle it and you can eat it. And this is shoyu, which is a soya sauce, and it's really tasty. So I enjoyed my lunch a lot, and it was an amazing experience having lunch at Kofuku, and I'm sure I'm going to come back over here again because of the warm people working over here. It was really welcoming. So I would say bye to Kofuku right now, and here is the rating for Kofuku. So for taste I would give 5 out of 5, for ambience it is 4 out of 5, for service it is 6 out of 5, and value for money is 4 out of 5. So guys,
Thanks for watching.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.